For this challenge, we're doing some concatenations. So we've got a lot of fields in our input data set. So 183. Whew, that's a very wide data set to work with. So we want to make it a bit smaller, make sure that individual cells have more information within them. Okay, so we'll start off with our measurements there. So we're ticking all of these key fields initially, so these are just information about the character, and then making sure that in our transpose bit we're only ticking our measurements, so height, weight, etc. and so forth. So we're just making sure that where it's got an underscore x there, so it's like here it's I'm trying to find one example. Oh, it's because I've already transposed them, isn't it? If I go before that and see, for example, I think it's like durability X in the measurements and then durability Y as a power. So if I just make sure that I remove the underscore X in this example, then I'll just get durability in my measurements because that's going to be concatenated up. Then I want to stick my measurement together with their value, so creating a new field called measurements with name2 and a dash in the middle and then value. And then I'll just do group by all of my attributes, and then for my measurements I do a concatenate function. So when I'm going to add, it's a string and then concatenate, and our separator this time is going to be \n, which means new line. So when I come and take a look at my data afterwards, I can see that all of my attributes are on different lines in there. Okay, and then for the powers, so I'm going to do the same thing, but this time I'm just going to keep my field 1 here, and then it's just superpowers that I have ticked in my data columns down here. I'm doing that, remove the underscore y, for example, from the name column, and then I'm filtering out any value which isn't true. So all these ones where a superhero doesn't have agility, for example, it's getting filtered out. And this time our concatenation, so we're grouping by field 1 and we're concatenating our name field to be our powers. And the way that we're concatenating this time, it's not showing me the option down below. Oh, there we go. The separator is a comma and a space, so that then I get a comma and a space between each of my superpowers. And then I join these back together on the field 1, and I just sorted them as well, so that they are in 0 to 300 and whatever. So we will have lost some of our characters here who do not have any superpowers, but that's what we wanted to do for this challenge, so that's okay. Okay, so hopefully that was pretty straightforward, and I hope you enjoyed that solution. Thanks for watching.